my name is Denise. I participated in the 5-day boot camp, and that 5-day boot camp taught me more than I have learned in the last year about funnels. It's a roadmap. It teaches you how to create a funnel, how to do everything is automated, emails, text messages, your pipelines. And I did this 5-day boot camp, and by the end of the 5th day, I already had 7 new leads.
You're given everything you need to succeed. You're given actionable steps every day to complete, which gives you a ton of hands-on training.
This course is one of the best I've taken. It provided clear, concise directions, clear, concise action items, and allowed me within a week to get up and running very quickly and get results.